Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here for this quick tutorial on a mail merge. In this tutorial, we are going to focus on creating a mail merge to multiple contacts that we plan on printing out. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Right now, I have 13 contacts in my lookup. I'm going to go up and I'm going to click on Write. I'm going to go to Mail Merge. I'm going to come inside the mail merge and I'm going to say, listen, I want it to go to Microsoft Word because that's my default word processor. I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to choose a random template that's just already inside of ACT. I'm going to click OK. Next, I want to do it to the current contact lookup. I had 13 contacts. I'm going to select that and I'm going to say, do I want to attach it to history? And I'm going to say yes. I'm going to click on merge. So what's going to happen now is there's going to be a merge process that happens. And what it does is instead of before when we did it to one contact and we saw a preview, in this case, it just creates a file. So as a reminder, if you did this in Microsoft Word, what it would have done is opened up Microsoft Word on your desktop ACT software and showed you these items. Now, we have to open it because it creates a download. So I'm going to click on Open. When I click on Open, Microsoft Word opens up, and here are all the letters to those 13 contacts. So at this point, we have an option. Now, again, this is a fairly simple template. There's no graphics or logo in here, but these are all the contacts, so you can review it before you print it out. At this point, you can print this. You could either save it as a PDF or print it if you decided, but this is the major difference between doing it to one and doing it to multiple. When you do it to one, it shows you a preview. When you do it to multiple, it automatically creates a download. Keep in mind, if you're used to the desktop version of ACT, instead of opening Word, it creates a download, and then you open the download and you see the results inside of Microsoft Word. That's a subtle difference. But now we have these we can look at and make a decision on what we want to do with them. But this is just our overview. And now if I want to print them, I can simply go up to File and then Print. And then I can print them out. I'm not going to do that in this case, but that's the first step. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to, instead of printing these, I'm going to show you how to send a mail merge to email. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. You have a great day. Be well. Bye now.